Yesterday was a massive one. Yesterday's saga was a massive one.
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another matter come again. Now who we wan watch today, my amazing people? We wan watch from Victor aka Baba when they smile, where if a message to Queen Rita over the copyright when she put for Esther video aka lady of song. My people, make una relax, make una lis ten to this very video. Wetin Queen Rita do e no good, fine, una dey use person video, una no need to put copyright. We wey dey carry una own, we no dey put copyright for una video, because if we dey put am, una for don kill us, una for don finish una for don finish us for inside dis social media. So tell me the reason why you can't use person music for your video, you can't go put copyright. You dey try to destroy that person page or channel. E no good, my people. Wetin una know say dem no go do to una, una no try do am to another person. My people, wetin una think? May I leave una make una watch this very video, make una lis ten to wetin umenmwan wan talk. God bless you all.
They are not saying support Esther for we. We all support Esther from our own selfish interest, for our own interest, because each of us that was monetized then, that did the video for Esther, that fought for Esther, that saga Esther, we all have our monetized speech. And all the video was done on our monetized speech. And every one of us earned the money, the revenue, and at the end of the day, we use the money for ourselves without giving Esther a penny. Then if we come to, let's go to the party aspect of it all. Some of you guys also visited Esther's on their show, on our show, and you sprayed Esther. Esther sang a song that speaks your soul. So you pay for that song by spraying her, showing her love. May God bless you and each and every one of you guys. So guys, when I share this video, when I give you love and light, when I thumbs up this video for me, I will just really clear this video small. We not go shout, because we will play Esther video too. So many of us for this media, all the name of say we support Esther. I know they pretend though. You understand? If you do me something, I will just turn up for you. I don't know my mind. I see the way Esther was illuminated 2019. He paid me. So when she was coming to Europe tour, is it not 2021? I decided to put up myself. As I've said before, yesterday or the first day, I was the one that called that masses. We joined hands together to start doing adverts to promote Esther Europe tour. And by the grace of God, it worked well. It was a massive one. And I also want to say very big thanks to every one of you guys that also use your platform to promote Esther. Esther and my sister. All Benin musicians, they be our own. You understand? And we love them all. Anyone who made mistake, now my right to talk on. Anyone when they fuck up, when they do pass itself, I go carry and come and I go still put up my body with to. It not me say for one support, I'm not going to support them. That is me for you. I not get time to the purpose for mine. Now, this woman called Rita will go marry spirits. Because I don't say now spirit, now she go marry. We go marry spirits, enemy. We call husband, could believe authorization. Now, our demonic, she they use Esther music, they make money for herself. If you love Esther genuinely, if you really support Esther genuinely, if you want Esther to excel, if you want Esther to go far in life, you know if you call Esther, say, Esther, this your page don't reach to monetize. Let me help you check out, let me help you do one. You did not do that. For those of us who know Esther long time ago, where Esther really suffered with her children, we dey see Esther today. We no go pray, make Esther go down, and he no go still go down. Oh, God has blessed, no man can touch. You understand? We no go pray, make it go down. When Esther they use bitter leaf soup, they put one fish for inside, they cook it for the children. Many of them don't know Esther that time. Now when God don't bless her, we no go pray. May God bring her to that level again. God no go even happen again. Because we do not support, with the whole world support. Because now person will get good voice. God bless them with voice. If Esther cry come out for social media today, say he need 10 million. Before 1 week, he don't back. Don't be joke. You know why? And because of Una, they love Una get for Esther. So if we see anything we go make them excel, what you go make them they get money, not go make them they beg. Now our duty to tell us, Esther, Epa Eddie when I say no monetize. Go make go again. They no every video we know your amigo. You gonna see money for inside. You go see the spirit to the chop, to the feed your children. See they support people when they surrender. You know how many crowd of people they carry the waka? None they see on stage, none they see guests who surrender. Esther automatically doesn't get people where they work for long. It doesn't help people. You understand? So I see him say, this page, this one going to make money for this page. Why have that not the entire page? I call your husband, I tell your husband, he said, no, wait, me and make you admit. He make me admit and I enter inside. I see as he be, I say, you get copyright for this page. A page in a bed. So copyright. I know the copywriter. Now our sister, we married spirits. We use how many years take 5 for Facebook. Kokobiri. Okay. As I can see, say now you and other people. When you see claim cause of accusation, not be only you want to copyright for Esther music. The many with evidence and proof. Facebook don't lie. If you put copyright for person music, your name go there. Your name go there. You don't go feature that. Like one song, there was a time I did a video where they call me and say, Esther put copyright for music. I said, no lie. Esther not put copyright for music. Which of the music you play when you see copyright? He say, oh not ya ishoko, no salogba wa umena, okele wa shokoko, sanera la ho, ugiri agmonota nenyame. That song, the official Esther for that song, but don't be Esther get the song. Who get the song was Brother Destiny. Not Destiny Bagwa, it was Brother Destiny. I could go play it. I was supposed to play the song. And as I played the song, I was copyrighted. And I have to go check who copyrighted. Because it's now Brother Destiny. It is not Destiny Ibagwa. And I still came to live video say, now the Esther get that song. Now Brother Destiny. That same guy will sing Edubia mewe awageli yaziwa so iyanwi yaroga yo sa. That song, the guy will get the song. Now he put copyright. Esther only join and sing. Feature one for the song, but not be Esther get the song, not be Esther put copyright. Now I see explain about this live video. Make people for you understand. When not saying that Esther put copyright, then Esther music was not copyrighted. Despite say this Okbeletu woman, they copyrighted Esther song, but it was not copyrighted by Esther, not the Esther doing. You understand? Okay, then the music would enjoy Esther music go. Would enjoy Esther music go. Now imagine this useless woman came out categorically without no fear. They send message to Mr. Stimian. Come on, they call me. I tell them you watch me, not they call me. When they talk, nobody should call. Period. Now, he sent message to Mr. Stimian. When I think here, Okbeletu my TV here. Okay, what do you mean? Feel boy. Why you feel boy? On ya banji ojinara. On ya banji nara. Okay, mind you, this morning now, you dey warn Stimian, you dey call Stimian family, they call the wife family. Make they send your dirty video to Stimian. Make Stimian, now Stimian first come for you now. Now let me tell you, Okbeletu, fibrous woman. Now you first come for Stimian. How you take come for Stimian? Stimian upload the friend video for your page. You go put copyright. Video will not be your own. This video, all of you now is short Destiny with your 2 wives for that video. Now only me one. Now I come out for this social media. Can't debunk that where is what they use for them. Now as I did so, now me carry my wife go beach with my children. Before we go beach, now me tell my wife to see the kind of clothes you wear. Yes, and obviously because I don't pay bread, I'm a traditional man. Oh yeah, you come in and you use money. Oh yeah, you want go where is it? Oh, I'm wearing. Oh, I'm wearing. I'm working me out here. Dress good, dress sexy to my taste. Get when you be a lemonia. Oh, woman, on your gym. You got say bitch now, you're able to dress on you. It can be dress here on become a mumba. Or the possibility to buy your ways about women. She followed me go beach like that. Okay, for example, say I will do video, I not video my wife. I not show my wife. My picture, I will see my wife. Una see for picture. Now say I can't do video. Una can't see the way we play for beach. Una can't say awa no, irewebo. Awa no, hey, you go muni kwa yonisa. Eti owo ki me banu ania. You guys came after a video you wanna kill yak best but destiny. A lot of present, almost all the presenter. You know, a video ya saga destiny. A video ya saga destiny investor. A destiny investor mean one naira. Ube, Arioy, Mudana left fibros. You get it. A video that made destiny investor bar. You all see that video. And that video was a music video. It was a music video. And I came out of the box where you're supposed to know where this is a music video. It was action. Director the was started cruising boats. Action. It was a music video. When I came out of the bunk for you guys. Why can I go on with that video? First of all, read that content of what you want to analyze to. This is a music video. A musician or for the audio, you want to play the video. It can bring out different people in. Now, instead of that bringing men in, that point was the one he featured the husband. Then when it said, what that point there, or that point is a jealous lover. Why you when I wrote you when I said, are you going to be one? No, when I sit down because I go lay cost for this video today. This video, it's going to be unusual. I go lay cost. Now, Mr. Skimming, on our cut a video, on our post a page of it. Done fibros. On our was copyright is Skimming. Now today he's coming out to sound and wanted to Skimming. Because Skimming came out and said the truth. I said, what you did? And you knew what I. So you not think we're even once I'm here now. But how you copyrighted people, I know how many people that have called me because of their copyright. What they do, they delete the video. Up my TV, or delete the video, not put in. In that manner, now to delete it. They do manage to say, yeah, no, so delete it, no delete. Who get the song? Esther. Who copyright? Rita. No, one nigga. Where Jackie on the way, you are how we live. Who are delicate this that you are to Musi. To find who sassy, who gallant, a jana go, now I have to see. All your sister almost say, who bow the most record, are witty. To that sister, I tell you, woman. We had the wire down in home. When a Coberian came to Europe tour, because he did a video yesterday, because women in Nyanta, Rita, you don't have anything to say. And everyone in Nyanta, you are just going to blah 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 blah, who don't tear bo. We are not here to tear up. We are here to bring it. See, let me tell you one thing, and you guys will understand. The saga nowadays is not just a no. Saga they get great. With the upgrade for saga. Give a point to the general public because why? Your reason of doing saga, there must be something that prompts you to do saga. You understand? Now, before you start to this first of all, let the public know why you are angry. Why you want to lay a curse on this person? If you don't know that, you are supposed to come out for a proper apology. If you get sense, you are supposed to come out for a proper apology. Because you are stupid, because the number where you are is an idiot. Yes, sir. The number where you are is Australian goats. Because when you your husband drink messages, he drink message period. On women's or say name. Yes, sir. Or that when it's Australian goats. Or the dog one is Australian goats. Also name at all. because don't get on the little man. And warrior my go. For years, look at copyrighting woman. Now a woman not decided then okay. System get no man where you hear who we are you don't hear where you are with Rita. Don't hear you where who are about Boa, when I won't go by, and the idea we were winning. Why don't you know? Australian got already not work correctly. They will not work for you. Oh, see, I'm not going to marry you. Oh, see, I'm not going to marry you. No, and do. Oh, yet to know any. It is good for women or men. Marry your fellow person, your own brother, your sister. Oh, I know we are sorry. I super a quira. Oh, you super a quiz. We are going to go web one. Okay, can I have yet do? They told me I got that working now. Don't work him out. So, when I go him, will come and do Belobish. Oh, here they woman will feel it. Oh, him. All the way back in the way to now. Who probably tell away? What will I would say about that one? What would say about the barrier? Mohiari, I got that way. Or tell us that destiny. I brother Maggie or talk by Lao. Killing simple Hamadu way. Yahweh. Yah, why are you? Let the peace. After us, ultimately, let peace reign. As a man that gets sense, that's how to know a bini man. Who don't have you go or yet Bonamarwe. And the last one away or in him, you know, one away or one area. A spirit's not the move with one man, Umana Daga, one, Umaya already. And here go, and here come, and here by lemon, and here low, and here belly. Caro, among oh wow, Itayawa is a warrior, no one on. Mamma says Zimbabwe. Mamma says go, my says Zimbabwe. The man no more where is Zimbabwe because they had done on me, also here to the Oviedo. Oviedo cannot accommodate your bad soul because of you don't go. Now, the social media no day. To come and debunk or to come and saga Esther or come and analyze what Esther and Destiny said. Instead, you decide to say, well, a Destiny, ona mwemata giwe, ona mwemata kobe giwe, nuwero saga kobe. The man was saga nuwe na ana mwemata giwe no pe uwe, nuwero saga kobe. Una wo saga kobe. You not una okay. Ori mo giwe, uma saga Destiny mwemata kobe gime, according to you. We ete Destiny pay me 2 million. Ni me ya bakobe. Oh God. Who video ya no know de. If you make an idea we if you make on ta ko be wa gun if abo yan la ko be gbe ni ko mo if abo ta abo we o yan la we se igata gbe do tu na re do we mo en si me mo en si you understand ni ku I'm not that stupid man like you guys no me man go ya saga one you understand e ke na la la ha ke zo worry that is me for you. I do things from the upset. Very way. Well, when 20 years to come, I will tell you all the saga was shown, and I will tell you the reason and why. In our way, I'm not stupid like you. You understand? We come and we like a vent, everyone. No value right here, but they don't have it. If you suck the father, he beg better as more bossy go master, chop the flesh and leave the bone. I don't fear anybody. One as now. Okay. I come back here with video. Yati bonnet. Obaseki ba kobe yan yegbe. You understand? Ovi Obaseki mo do na Obaseki na kobe. The only person who do na kobe na ga bat. Ma do na kobe. Ina la de do address kobe. Owo ka o, ona o pogeva. Va Obaseki pogi bande o karele the activities of Okarele. Akobe na la dian the way video. Ona tie the schoolboy. Oh my God, where Europe? We travel. He only travel. Only Europe. He only travel. I'm young guy. We not here. Not here. Again. Amima no me. Inje ona swan suini ona. Ama gboro sawo. Ama sunwa ewo. Ona swan suini that musician level. Now ya bodo bito. I came out categorically. I thought I would get the word down here. Do one name because I will do the I told where a destiny go ni me ya saga kobe. Or 1 2 million in 2 million. Who can zua? Where you may now 2 million. You are a madman. Like, sure, do I map where's the map? Because where don't map. Now, in a lot of address a video na kobenia on na kobe. Nerike sunu, well, you are always fighting for your selfish interest. Ekenu we na amigo we the muji. And not constantly here the wedding muyo. But a riot now, riot are high court. Where the opposite mobile court. I could man one cannot lock up. One see one can very comedy kind. Obaseki win a bande okarelena because of tinwe okarelo irion okarelo tinwe irion ewa wana amigo. So you now come out to do a video because it affects you. Hey, so yaze. You understand? I did that video. You know the same thing you also did to Amai woman and Stanley O Iyono. When you are here to learn Ogolita, and if you will be. Wọ́n bá mọ́ náà yíyan ọwọ́ ìlú wọn ní ìwọ̀lẹ̀ ní wọ́n sákà pàsákà nínú yóò bá dọ́ba lọ́kọ̀ fi dọ̀fíà. I did that video. The next thing a ní sọ́lá gbọ́n rẹ̀ lákòbẹ̀ kí wọ́n yẹ kó bí adé jẹ́ ìbrẹ́mẹ́ bí ẹ̀ná sì tẹ́ ẹ̀dá ẹ̀ná kábẹ́lá yọ̀ dáwọ̀ ẹ̀ná wọn sọ wọn rọ̀wì ẹ̀rẹ́ nínú rọ̀wì yé bẹ̀ rọ̀wì rà bẹ̀ rọ̀wì oko ní mùsùlùmí ní yóò wá. Àkòbẹ̀ náà gẹ̀rẹ̀ ládìyàn àkòbẹ̀ wẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn hàn ó wò nọ́mú mẹ́yọ̀ wá. No me what didn't be on or mene. That was the video he did. Then, if you not see any, and we see, you will be a gato, if you not see any and I talk about Benini or have it be right with you. I could not tell any video. You guys watch the video, you get what commenting. I could not be live video presenter, not saga man. Not good for anybody. Now me this year logo. And now okay, very good. Now I could be like your story ball. And you transfer my yota. And I live video ne. O ze you net money ade. Aso akun e lati. When no more egbe ya gu he. Ige boy akobe. Ana go hon na akobo gbe bo be. Ige boy ni we fit don akobe na anu awu ewuwu. Ana gbe wuwu nu. Mo saje ku mo si kuro mo ne mo. Ya lula ne. Ba webo. Awebo. Ona ayo money we fit don. Na mi go money na this. Ona say bisa ke ke money. Omoni je gbe yi. O wa ga re social media now. You guys sleeping? After a lot of stress and everything, the lady that came out to speak for freedom, to fight for freedom for Moekwe, that lady also came out to start apologizing because of the lack of stress from Akobe. Akobe, we are in Nigeria, or Bodoma for 2 years in Angola. I walk by Kawalia market in Andrea, the young women, or in China the next day. Why down here in Larry? Well, we are mere bomb, but oh, sick by the way, mammy, what the day had boggy. Mammy, a big general. Ya beg more sick bone because more sick bone master. Chop the flesh and leave the bone. Yeah, what anyway. If any story about you that comes out, yeah, go. And I'm not a female, whatever go. Think I'm a book. Think I'm soon. And I'm not a equal to be area Europe or any beer Europe. Back to the guy in Canada. I don't you know call even. Because they know me. I have respect for them, especially the president. I say okay because I don't know this useless woman not just both now. We like another we destiny. A destiny that a team a phone. A destiny that a phone. On a team umenmwan. Gumen saga anybody at all. Ni meya la live video na so awe live video. Ni meya la social media na total so awe social media. Destiny na e prove be na TV where gumen saga anybody I will pay you 1 cent. 1 toro. E video die we bono do gwa la yin. E video me die we bono do gwa lo igwe de gbe yin. Omo ga wume, ode ga wume, ogo ga wume. Eni fe ni igolo ta gona fe ya nyo ya do ayo ma o technical a destiny marry for it na we go saga anybody. I'm not even talking about Akobe no go saga anybody in question that can you think of when all wa retire mi omo no ho an suwa una do la ya bi do ta we ogo awu o de la wu emunu bi efe wa ibo tiyan wa ibo egidi nyamu yanji akporo eti no de wa eri mo ya kati pa ode ete tu ni ade ile bio agbon alowo yin alowo igba agbon yan ri agbon jagbon ya ti we jagbon ya no ti ri we ala ti we jagbon ya iye ki eke o yan adere mu da iye ki eke ra mi ana mi yawe iye ki eke o yan adere wo le gbe ya wo da wo le gbe ni o ba o ifa bo yan lawo gbe le bio ama pecho iwe gira wo wa beto iwe aya mu gira akusama o ya kunya riwa o nya sungu le lewa o go buwe my sister very tired iyo nya yinu no buka ya o se du mato wo shofi wo shida wa sungu le lewa. Now my people, I greet all of you now better style. I just let you know say this saga what we do. They create your saga with fat and points. Medicine for the sweet people, medicine for the endurance. Very simple. You understand now? Rita ayemiomo, ekia, no hoa. Every year you know better. The social media now, you know even when you water, oze no ruwa bi. You go say, "What to mama, mama gume, aweswa, owa oye maso, wana hon, come on, go now." We must prove, are you sure? You are going to detail, but yes, it is genuine. You are calm, you are calm, because what I know, yes, I have proof of everything I'm saying. You understand? I have proof of everything I am saying. Now, Rita Kokobiri, Tuta. Biga Highway Saga, Oga Kobirian. Destiny called me. My wife was there. The phone was on speaker. Epa Eddie, or Canada, Veteran, who can now away. Destiny, Destiny, I will laugh. Memory, my brother, Lao, Lao, honor go, I know you can be Lao, woman, good from work. No Sakobia, Lao, Sakobia. He begged and begged. We talk more than 20 minutes. Or crack a joke, my dear, or crack a joke, just to make sure, say, it's Sakobia. The same way Eddie Murphy, no idahosa, the same way Eddie Murphy called me and begged me for Akobia. Okay, the Murphy, I live video. Man talking Destiny. If man talking Destiny live video, he talking the Murphy, I call it there. I sent on live video, but I never talk about Destiny. Destiny was the first person that called me. But then you got one saga Akobia. Destiny called me immediately. Then he had dropping the broadcast. Destiny called me, Lao, my brother. Lao. Destiny was begging me. I'll tell you there, Mr. Agbapa, no, you later, Elsa was saying, definitely Agbapa. I believe the way you will tell because I got to do a voice in the background. You understand? So if it's not a hidden things, you know who they, you know how secret, because I know people was with Destiny that day. They were talking. You want to log out of the hotel. Another way, you buy the hotel, you buy the hotel. You understand? He was begging me to please allow Mr. Akobia. Now you now came in to say that's really 2 million. That's really 2 million. Why you made my guy? Because I need money back, you know. You understand? This is the glory we get 2 million by applause. I didn't know Joko. Money go many saga anybody. What 2 million would many? But I need you are going 2 million. Wow. So, Rita, the truth is that you don't have anything to say. If that is no problem, women will not attack at all. You are a criminal, you are the cops. Amu or rabo was you know Tabamu or rabo. Then you can't attack. Mohammed Destiny way. Guess when you or Massa Ukbo Polok Granny. And beside that, who got when at this time we are Kuyoto. A schoolboy will never buy some woman. Uvia UK. When I was swearing here, it's just no more. All the people to a saga schoolboy, saga, a nice woman, or so that in any chance Yahweh is shown. You know, I think about it. I know we know what I know what time. You know, egg your move, a year we know is bad. Don't get angry. Just calm down. You let you do. Go live video. Just say, when you copyright your video, when I copyright in what you Walaho. When I want to come out with the video, just do that. They don't mention anybody's name. When you wear the thing to allow in and go, well, the live video everywhere will scatter. Or when one title. And that was what happened. In la way Pejian, when no jabo jabona or break up like the lion. In my life, because I have the proof. No, I just be on the low key. I was even the one telling us about calm down. Why did I explain it? Was say you understand? Now, because they measured my name. Now, once you guys understand one thing. Oh, again, when the boom social media now, when the content representative with children and is looking down on me, when the book again is war. Seriously. Yeah, I'm going to the book to work Tokyo. It's Saga. I believe. Because you don't know the person that is sitting down in your phone talking to you. There's one thing we do. I don't get on the that's what I'm going to put. You guys need to understand. They want to have a live video now. You guys have tried every means possible to bring this guy down. Instead of you bringing him down, you had one down while I'm sad. You understand? So what is people's problem? They don't want to bona. No one feel the one who are bona. They don't want to achieve at bona. No one would look down on someone else. Where why are I achieve memory? I'm not going memory. I will memory. And I achieve memory. My guy, more baba with the smile. Oh, to no more, no, I ain't your wife. If I want that, you got me. One of them, Mammy will not color the no mamma yegan. Oh, mamma yegan. Let Ben Macquarie. In my year, no special. My mother did not come to Europe for prostitution. We're not yet trying to wear any money yet to dig way in here. Ya big be again. You will look down on me where I'll memory. A pride in women. No, we are die yet where Jenoku. Where ya can go to that, but what around? Oh, I'm going. We're not yet pride to wear the pride of a woman, the respect that a woman have, and every man will go on knocking on your father's door. That beautiful flower that your father, they will see your father's compound. You have useless the flower. It's not called obobo. A mababa, a flower white. Where do I feel like conveying no memory? Who do you tell me when only we go, una be again talking. From Turkey you migrate to Greece. If you talk, I get your head, get your Yamadi. If you talk, who had you talk, I land. Never. Apa, who had apa, one in load, oh, betcha, Masonia, young go, who had young Levane, a saw me, oh, wedding. They can saw anything, any good at all. When you let them have women go, we're going away. Oh, and a bear. If one in your book, they can email lawyer, they are dignity women. You one in all, only you know. We don't make you about they are all married to women. When they Rita, not take go, you are a gallant boss lady or whatever you call yourself. So, as cute as Benima, as handsome and intelligent as Benima, no one could marry you. That means you are a failure. Ufo, Timothy will not advise. Who will for my sister? Because Benima they like make us way tight. We know they like to bath forever, but we want to job. My news on my where is it? Emiri. Kokobiri, what is it? Kokobiri they come bath. God. My mother would no when messes water. Now I also drink messes. No more than the bottle. Oh, we are Gimea. Oh, we have that woman senior Gimea. Now, small baller that carry. Go ask every average Benin man get average bowler. They don't get a lot of B or Bia. Every average Benin man, they get their own size of bowler. On the case of the one we keep it down. On the case of we are near Bono, we keep Burukuna. This is Burukino Bula. On the case of we are Banagba, who will keep Jordan, so my job Bula. On the case of one way, this one Bula. On the we are blessing. Or I'm going to give you one who are this one you Bula. This one you Bula. You will just know. So, without the Bula bigger, it's smaller. Now, so when the man knowing work, how to use them massively. Person get small Bula. He put woman for house. You will get big bola. Your husband not the knack bekus. Bekus don't block with fibros. You the deceive of Australia. Fake life. And you don't see it when I make it so why me one. Let me just give you guys this secret. The reason why I'm passionate, why you guys are always jealous of me. Because I'm not a fake life. If you know go me here TV. If you need Italy more. I'm not a brag. I'm not going to snap with person in my car. As I've been, as I've been. As you see me so, I feel naked now. I feel weird boss. I don't be like video. The boss has me as submonisa. Who will go submonisa? Or go me no. And who wants oil? At the mess at the shit. At the mess at the shit. Here presenter on pretend. No, Ganya. I was on. I'm not that kind of presenter. The difference between social media and real life is for real life. Yet social media, everybody cannot one of she get from me one. Me I think what tell you for 5 hours. But when you talk 30 minutes yet tell you to wait. It's better you have my drink. Later in. But if you want this character for the ground, I want to go bring this character for I will give you 2 times 2. You don't be alone. But over my daily life of living, people that know me here, but we don't see me. Follow people like me, we don't see me. When know me, they go fit and say, no one of the talk. If you deal with me, no hear the talk, no talk. All this a bit telling me, who oh where? Rita, do where is Esther here? Lady Rita, oh, la wo ye. Go na Facebook even now. You may not say man monetize. La go check it. Rita, say what am I boy? We can lawe Facebook Esther. We are ham Esther. Don't buy it. If you tell them monetize name, if you don't see any man monetize we, a copyright you want more way. A copyright when we are collect you go is there. I music here we morigo there. What am I? No, may we tell ourselves the truth. When I share this video, may I just sit down. Rita, I ask you a question. Did you where? Esther mwe page already now Sister Rita. Go make a page when I'm not seeing anyone monetize. Why did they monetize me? Will you tell Esther, Sister, my lady Esther, also tell them monetize because of the copyright striking, copyright claiming not a page way. Oh, see any monetization policy. On that daisy, you must free monetization because of the copyright. Most of your music, a copyright man, oh no, morigo way. Now they chop your money, oh. Rita, they ask you, you go tell Esther like that. You and she go take you go put on your sister. You go check in Facebook. You go say, my sister, now me they chop your money, oh. Now you make us all this song where they sing, all this video where they sing. Now me they chop your money, oh. Rita, you go tell them. What time Esther? And you say you be believe woman. Eke done. Sister Mose, how they must require. Eka to see. Rita, una besha we talking. Umaya when you wa, umaya meet up. Una bele grease. A grease na grease we. Una bele grease, a grease na wa shawo 2 rand 5 euro. A grease na be a 2 rand 5 euro. Una bele grease, umaya blow. Rita, una lesse from grease. Una migrate na man, una magrima, una bien effect or boy grease, a toka grease. Toka oyibo, una vile toka oyibo, una muadie Germany. Et una so asane toka oyibo, ana set of done, ana you deport you in Nigeria. Una be 3 years in Nigeria, who can then migrate back to Oyibo land again. Una so bounce man that una go for how many years in abroad. Una una se bonjono signora, una se papa bore, una se dami uno ero, una se piano, una madero amico, amico mio, oh piano amico, socchiare, bella io, salawe, amico salayo, amico bonomo, 10 euro, and when I die, yes, you know, with the train station, my salary, you don't get up more. And I can't say, my lady, because Oh, amico mio, piano, piano, papa forero, dammi un euro. Oh, amico mio, oh, piano, 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 socchiare. Oh, valeo, guardaio. Oh, amico mio, amanasa, gua. Nare no salwa agmo. Weni biagia ne wemu. We are not dealing with saga. But bohian lawe be last ka check up. Yeah. Rita ayemiomo, you go bohian lawe be. O bi un dan na ze biology. Iju we ze bibie. O we ri gbe aya wuku. O ni dara wuki go gbe. Go gbe o. Iye ri tara wuki go gbe o, sister. Go gbe. Iju no je boye. Ide ri yan ri obi gbe. Ibu no ri obi gbe. Is where I will dara o tote kashu ana abolish way abolo wo abo we ana abolish way wo tote kashu explain me na be kwa twe ije na so twe check ya be kus twe ona na twe we Rita era pa kan wagbon oh wagbon as we speak Rita is a nice man. Rita is a nice man. Rita, no, when I say destiny, the destiny you have not seen where. No, you have better family where this politician. A lawyer will have the petition against him. What's a lawyer? My belly, no, you have belly at one. A lot when a level one, you get level, you gallant. Sister, where gallant, where you go the beg person for Nigeria, make you go help and bail your family. Oh yeah, oh I'm so man. Men never level. Men no muzzle. No, we got your muzzle. We arrest me. Men now need lawyer day. A lawyer will bill out me. With just 50,000 naira. Just 50K. Or how do you have your children at the police station? When I'm a level now, a levels woman, kuweke, and muya, una need to acquire a big man on a level. You will not looking for a big man. Or big Cubana of Benin, who know got a destiny on the level. Destiny on the level. Now I got destiny on the level. Oh, me I got destiny to get level. Once you lose the police, everybody will declare road. No, here I go a lot when you are a mugu. You are a mugu. Influence me, me calling you one day where I'll fight, do this one for me, or do this for me, or help you do this one. In no day. Where arrest me. If only Mary, you know lawyer on the phone now. I know how many lawyers' numbers, no reform now. Barristers, no reform now. But you said Abuja, have it here. Commissioner of Police, they know about now. Ni Mary Barry phone. Instantly, send me your accounts. I bet not to mail at the end. Make it a case in your rise. Every moselle kiss in my rise. Why? Because, or we ma whatever. No, ma whatever. Mazoto, no be on pen now, yes, you understand? Offer Gusa. And look up. In a Ladian, as commanded by my father, Yahinia, the Mira. Then you not think where all it is where. You will not have that mind. After arresting my junior brother, you not think where it is well with me and you are a bastard. You not your phone. You pick up your phone. The first and the only person that have called me on this media that helped me to go and saga person, it was Rita. Nakita has said this that number. You called me. The no way book. When they go and saga one enemy queen. Now Oyibo woman. Because what if you know get Nandi Kalu. Why you go talk to Nandi Kalu like that? When they arrested Nandi Kanu from Lagos, when you Abuja, you did a video about it. The woman fall out for you. Say, why will you talk to their own Nandi Kanu and started sagaring you? Who was this guy? Mighty saga woman or any saga boy? My woman, you called me. You sent me her videos. After you collected 200,000 from Taju Omori. To end up the case. A case in May 50,000, the lawyer discharge. You called me to go and saga that Igbo woman. And I said, are you stupid? where given a gozo, and I'll take it. When I get away, maybe not away. This one a small boy, no level for her. Eh? Like seriously, yeah, be a you are the only person on this social media service. Since I've been on this social media, you are the only person. No more one remember. You go and saga, help me. Utawe, please help me to go and saga this person. Ina you na get kwa. Now na wait make me wa get so you know go me. You amunya no so an saga. Am I crazy? Before I do things with proof, legit proof. No be woman to woman fight. O go na o kan we 2 years ago but na yina e go me yan e kan ketu e. Pakbo ya si egbe. We want to see where you are asking me to go and help you to go and saga an Igbo woman. Now you came on media and say, "Hey, destiny, you go in saga woman," because you are the one doing it. You see the logic? Because this is your work. Who are the working woman who you go to want to saga, and that's the reason why you now frame it on destiny where a destiny you go to make no saga, but you are a fool. I repeat, you are a fool. Now for those of you think where he's saga musician. If I tell you how many musicians I have as friends, you will learn. Person like Star Majesty, you know, Kobe Basiwan, Kobe no, as in Itawa, you see a brother called Kobe. I have Star Majesty number. Star Majesty called me and thanked me for promoting his music on several times. Star Majesty I went in music. Okay, what's up? I forgot what I'm doing. Star Majesty I went in music. WhatsApp on I forgot what I'm doing. Somebody like Don Nice. Don Nice is a brother, is a friend. In one make social media is from Don Nice TV. Don Nice young man, Don Nice have my number, we call. If Don Nice need my help, then we just call me. You need to call out another make promote here. I want the account women. What the account us you your account is. This one me money. If you don't know now, you should know. The same woman when you look down on, you think I'm stupid. Wow. Because who was Zuo? Why anyone? If musicians misbehave, I know how many musicians follow my page. They follow my page. I cannot. That's not what they follow. They're my followers. If I misbehave, I will still call this live to contact them. Straight. It doesn't mean they're my enemy. It doesn't mean if I see their music, I will go play them. I will still play. I will still promote them. Tomorrow, if things go well, I can still settle with Akobe. That is me for you. You understand? But you cannot insult my father, insult my wife, and you expect me to go and settle with him. You do Akobe or blue, or blue, or you come blue, no matter blue, man. He has no help for me. So you don't have that right. You defeat me so. Mommy will not like that. I've been on you in Napoli or dead of Napoli. No, I want camera there. Why you not Bonapega? Oh, yeah, mama. Total no how a neck boy. Again, boy, let anybody. I am a man myself. I have family, I have kids, I have wife. So it's going to be stupid of me to become a boy, follow my own fellow president. Am I stupid? Am I mad? A whole king? I have my own kingdom that I rule. You understand me now? Because I be able to take responsibility, make me a celebrity. Human hand, you should learn and be wise. Because when the book was Zoa, was well, yeah, it's so don't be a gaffy with an M1. When I return, she's so daft, but all of you went to the school. She's educated, a secondary school dropout who become a prostitute. And you call yourself you are an educated person. Because you can operate laptop, you feel you are educated. A secondary school illiterate, you understand? You feel you are educated. Add to a PhD holder, even HND, you don't have HND. And you come out and you talk to people that are even better than you. You go over at the end of the day, you end up with a lunatic. Somebody who doesn't even know the background. Somebody who don't have pedigree. Somebody who doesn't even know the family. And nobody. You got married to a nobody. Your so-called Zimbabwe man is a nobody compared to a dumb man. If you were well lenient, you were well okay and well sound, mentally sound, why did you marry any reasonable Edoma? I'm not woman the destiny. on m'a venu quoi moi j'ai, on m'a venu steaming yaki, on m'a venu name them dignity people. The those states or Marowe, then you are looking down on people, they will say, ah, I got that one now. In fact, now bra. I hope they are not married. Our years, this woman really did well. Because in every successful man there must be a woman. I agree the man or you I agree the man now bra. We have great men beneath. We have the life of DVD. A lot of great men beneath out there. I'm not going to move away. Upa weba. Ona aba oregon. Ona doyoni yedo. You are a setback woman. Ukube babuan. Ona ya banegon. Ona doyoni yedo. Because you don't move. If you don't move down, iyan God okono me down. Okono me bad spirits. Okono the shepherd because of the family. I arrested you where the social media with the room. Umavie. Ayi mu ewo juna so mavie. Ojibo ole copyrights ole atakara pado doji. Warrior mani, warrior sort of money. You believe my platform, you can attack to anybody. How where ayemiomo. No, who you don't have? How many you don't have? You don't face your village. How many they carry along? The same people who think they're clapping for you, where they buy their life today. So get picking for Nigeria when they feed their picking. The person that always do over high service, my lady, my mommy, my lady Rita, my daughter Rita. I set up daughter Rita. Alpha, if your picking not feel help in daughter for Nigeria, you will be the mama for abroad. You know if you still help and help the picking. My mom, come and buy. My mother, come and buy. Yeah. My mother is useless. The daughter is useless. Why here useless? It could be mother and daughter. Any material, condemn elements. Condemn iron. Condemn iron food abroad. Walai salam alaikum. Condemn iron food abroad. Walai salam alaikum. When condemn iron. Hi walai abagi. Hi which one I need for each eye? I need them for the one way there for Kokobiri house. Condemn iron. You pull them for Kokobiri house. Condemn iron. You get them for Kokobiri. What say walai salam alaikum? Hey walai kai. Me I go buy them for condemn woman. Condemn woman for Kokobiri house. Hi walai I get them for condemn woman. Wait, this I condemn woman. I'm a this a woman I too condemn. Well, me I be looking for condemn woman, but this one I too condemn. I condemn. I not go buy for this condemn woman. Well, let's salam alaikum. Me I go present for this condemn woman. This condemn woman I not good at all. I will let's hey, this woman I too condemn. I too condemn this one. The toy of this one I not good again. I don't finish jump for the toy of this one. Oh, you will like me. I like condemn woman, but this one will like okay. I don't like for this one will like the toy of this one I don't condemn will like. I know go fake can buy for this condemn. This toy of this one I don't condemn. I will like to give them for €10 quite. Say if you like telephone for €10 for this thing, or this one, and this to this one I don't condemn like me. I don't go buy for this to this one. It's a two I don't condemn like I don't go pay buy for this condemn because this the pickles of additional weight I pay. Okay, I don't condemn them for this pickles. Well, I know they put them for someone. I suppose they put them for someone for the pickles. I know they put them for someone. And that's why the bakers I condemn Molly. I mean I know go fit buy for Rita condemn bakers. The bakers I don't condemn going. I don't condemn the bakers. I know they let them the right for the woman going. I they put them for the bakers will like salam alaikum. You I they put them for the bakers will like. I said they put them for the bakers will like and the bakers I don't condemn. And I condemn bakers. Rubbish bakers. Malaria don't make condemn bakers. They can't do them. No be like, hey, what is Rita? What is Rita? You make out. woman, I get something for my hand, will like. Me will like, I go save for my hand. I go tell you for my dog to with a carry on for good women. For my dog with a carry on for good women. Right now, reason for Germany, I they say condemn pecus. Condemn pecus everywhere. I say make I go on for handover. Make a reason for handover, I see him for condemn pecus. Condemn woman. Condemn Rita. Rita, I don't get up for anything. I go make a woman for media way. Oh, wallahi. I go look and say, are you beautiful, wallahi? I say, oh, Chay, I say, this is your beautiful, wallahi. Inside the arena, mind is dictate, wallahi. The mind is dictate. The mind may condemn mind. So, a guy me, I know go feel buyer for this condemn Rita. Rita, I be condemned woman. My sister, I dey get up for Facebook. My sister, I dey sing for song. My sister Esther, I dey sing for song. I get up for sweet song. I dey put up for the song on my Facebook. What? Hey, Rita, I go to my Facebook. I go pick up for my song. Hey, Cliff. Hey, you have been bad, but I will buy your line. I dey tip up for my music. I tip up for Esther music. I put up for my Facebook. I collect them for the money. Like, say this woman, I be bad woman. I talk, but I be condemned woman. Me, I never like him for this condemned woman. I take him for the music, I beat him for me. I take him for the music, I beat him for me. I dey cuss me, I dey cuss me. I take him for the music, I still dey cuss me. I be bad person, wallahi, salam alaikum. Rita, I be bad person. I know good wallahi. Make my answer friends no say what's in the talk. Go, let me go. In me, I'm now my book. In my Yoruba, in my son, in my book. Ezebo. Rita Kokobili. Wow. Yeah. He went to no someone. Oh, someone. Would that review this? I have would that review no blast you? Kereni. Oh, yeah. Everyone was a guy. Continue. Let's go there. Now, it's a pet montage. Now, go to. And you go to continue. Oh, you think say you come on? You get that like, oh, I see as the destiny of Kobeni. This one, saga. It's saga no. Well, life is normal. We saga no. Ah, gaga. But that book better. No, for seriously. Who you want to call the lights for this video? You know, say you don't already thief person. All you need to do is to come and apologize. You apologize to enter house. Why they call you 2 months to the person where you don't collect music, don't collect their video? See the shaman is the way get you. You see my destiny bring proof command. Oh, you think they don't get proof? Rita. Rita, so you would think, say, they will just wake up. They just say, nah, Rita, they will just talk. They don't get proof. That was your thinking. To allow we and prove near the debunk show my own a rubbish or jinura. So now, according to your post, when you bring out the proof to the people, what did you have to say? All present, I want to sit down, I want to listen. Because waiting many of you they analyze video for, they talk with now. When somebody get proof of waiting everybody they accuse of. Rita stealing Esther songs, videos, all this while. Rita came and said, make Destiny bring proof. So yesterday when Destiny showed the proof, how do you now feel? What are you supposed to do? Don't need booking. As proof come out, you pass that con. You pass that con, they cut your ass. What are you supposed to do? Is it not your own position to come out and say, okay, my sister Esther, Destiny, igwe, in my page is copyrighted page. It get copyright. But I use the opportunity to say to make a blog on a video. Like me, and they blog that post video. If I blog the video, I know say copyright not in my page. I could blog it. If my copyright one person, they will only come say, Ross, I can remember when I blog, I never blog and analyze them. When they suspend Festina Peter, Sharon OKPAMEN, late Sharon OKPAMEN, Classic Gloria, and Izzy or Moruji, and Ebony Obasuyi, when they were suspended from Aham president came out categorically to do that video. I placed the video on my laptop. I analyzed that video at the level 1 of the universe. Because of the level 1 of the universe, a copyrighted page, it served everybody who carry that video for their page. It served the copyright. Immediately, Izzy or Moro contact me through my phone number and called me. Well, bros, now you be the level 1 of the say yes. He said, I beg, say your copyright, the video where they no, that's which not the video. They say no, say the video where they do for Aham, where Aham president give the suspension, where they upload for their page. Say my copyright hold on. Ah, that's not verse. Immediately I drop the call. I will remove the copyright. Immediately I drop the call. On my laptop, I off my copyright from that video. That particular video I do throughout that for how many hours, I remove the copyright because of that small clip where I play for the video. And in case of any other person, we will carry the video so that my copyright no go. It go show say I remove one. It go show say I don't release the claim. I release the claim for the video sharply. Now some person will get sense to the behavior. Now you say you know copyright the video. They show when you pick copyright as was screenshot. They show when they after they come talk or show me the finish. You started releasing the copyrighted. When you started releasing the date, he did it. When you hear the Facebook, you just fool yourself. Sister, two were full everywhere. Oh, you fool yourself. Because me, I'll come here, they analyze you. I'll come here, they expose you. Who fool everywhere? You be thief. What you need to do is to come out and say, I'm sorry, my people. I'm one daddy egbe. Where set it there when you're not social media now, you are a useless woman. It is better you follow your kokobiri side. Go and you do your life. They analyze the back way matter, leave Benin people. When you are here though, you are no longer a Benin. You have sold yourself to Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe. Leave Benin people, leave Benin server space. Rita, kokobiri no war. See here do I, lelo ye no mare. Ayokone. He is no longer Juliet at Motan. He is now Juliet umenmwan. We are follow your husband now. Oh, God, carry your wife to go. May leave us alone. Let me pick up. Hello? Hello? Hello, Vegas? Good? Yeah. No speaker. Okay, go on. Go. Talk to me. Thank you. Thank you, Pato. You understand? Oga Coco, I beg, we use God beg you. Carry your wife in the house. Carry your wife in the house. Now, let me say, oh yeah, let us release an album for Rita. Mom, I'm ready to carry this music. This music now for Rita. Ayemiomo. Now, me personally, from the depth of my heart, because of the love I get for Rita, I want to dedicate this song to Rita. Oh, Baba. Oh yeah, one of the sing for me, one of the dance. As I sing the song, one of them. Rita, oh, Rita, oh, Rita. FBU don't tifo, Rita. FBU go tif forever, Rita. Rita, oh, Rita, oh, Rita. FBU don't tifo, Rita. FBU go tif forever, Rita. Are you a thief? You are a thief. In the law, are you a thief? You are a criminal. Are you a criminal? You are a criminal. FBO. Rita, oh, Rita, oh, Rita, you don't thief, oh, Rita, you go thief forever, Rita, oh, Rita, Rita, you don't thief, oh, Rita. Rita, you go thief forever, Rita. Rita, oh, ayemie. Yemie takbarapa, yemie wera ne, oh, yemie. Eba pokya lawe dobe, ayemie. Rita, oh, Rita. Rita, you don't thief, oh, Rita. Rita, you go thief forever, Rita. Abby, you go thief forever, Rita. Are you a criminal? You are OG for Facebook. OG Agbo, Rita. OG copyright. OG Facebook. Attack parapa no OG. That name na your name. That song na your song. FB na your name. Fibrous woman. Rita Fibrous. Kokobiri Fibrous. Rita, you don't thief, oh, Rita. Fibrous, you go thief forever, Rita. Rita, no jabo, any no one way. If I want to saga you, wanna remember me? Our Rita song. Anytime when I see me write message to Rita FB, that means message to Rita Fibrous. Anytime I want to saga you, I must give you that song. Rita, oh, Rita, Rita, oh, Rita. Rita, you don't thief, oh, Rita. Rita, you go thief forever, Rita. Oh, you wanna be your way. You want to do a day of me. Every time I know, I say, anyway, I swear to God, my own is Esther. Esther, I love cooking one. Oh, yeah, keep cooking one. I say, Abbas. Where can you boy? Where can you boy now? You go wrong. You never see anything. You never see anything. Hey, Fibrous one. Where I need it up. I like it going. I agree to now with better style. Oh, after that. So I just want you guys to understand the truth is that all those your saga when you do yesterday with all lies. Rita, oh, you know, can't sweet people to listen because the lie got too big. Boy. You see, that's the reason why I love that video where Esther do yesterday. A video is legit, but I swear, you know when that video legit is as they cure you, they bring proof. All you hear the latest saga now. Should a clear person get proof, get points of what it does, how do you put it back? When on ekia be 2 good years mawekia. No ya we marriage mawekia. Man ekia every day with the fire down. It's firing down. Continue the fire down.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what you not think about this very video from Victor, aka Baba when they smile? What you not think about this woto when he give Queen Rita? My people, make una stop all these things when they do the copyright people video. They very bad. God bless you all. Like